What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency market. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, it would mean the world to me if you consider smashing the like button down below and subscribing to the channel. So, Shiba Inu's trade volume is up 85% in the last 24 hours. We're seeing significant volume increase over the last day at $342 million exchanging the hands of traders. Last night, we saw this sudden surge in price action all the way to 12,300 Satoshis, followed by a decline. Could be, again, some whale manipulation and something along those lines. But overall, crypto is looking pretty good, holding strong. Bitcoin staying right around 23,000. So we're hoping that it starts to move towards the upside. Excited for next week because, again, the Feds will be coming out and telling us what to expect in terms of policy changes regarding interest rates. Are they going to increase the rates by the expectation of 0.5 basis points or 0.5%? Or is it going to be more than or maybe less than? So again, anything less or equal to 0.5, we'd be happy with. The lower, of course, the better. Now, let's talk about some things regarding SHIB. But before I do so, remember, one thing that I want to mention today is the Patreon. So we're going to be relaunching the Patreon and being more active on the platform as the market is picking back up. What that means is anytime there's any tokens that, it's something that I'm maybe purchasing or adding to my personal portfolio, I will post it directly on the Patreon or the Discord that is attached to the Patreon. So make sure if you join, there's direct links on how to join the Discord thereafter so you can get in on plays as soon as we do at the exact same time. So make sure you check that out. There's a link right down below in the description. Now, Shiba Inu trading volume jumped 60% as price nears the trigger point. And this is what we're going to highlight from this article. It says here that according to CoinMarketCap, 27 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth $332 million were swapped in the last 24 hours, which is pretty impressive. Exchanging the hands of traders, that is some ridiculous trade volume. Now, at the time of publication, SHIB was up 3.84% from the past day, and this was a little bit earlier. Now a little bit more regression towards more of an 11,280 Satoshis or so, and now we're looking at 11.8, 11.9s. Now the price had reached intraday highs of 12,300, which is quite significant. But what is this whole trigger point? In August of 2022, the 12,000 Satoshi range acted as a trigger point for Shiba Inu, causing the asset to suddenly spike 42% in a single day when its price rose to the 18,000 mark. So right now, what we're looking for in terms of potential technical analysis or things of that range is, again, we want to break out of 12,500, even 13,000, because again, the next thing up from there could be 18,000 directly, which would be, again, a 35 to 40% rise in price. In addition, one of the other things that was mentioned is Shiba Inu's lead developer, Shytoshi, reveals potential users of Shibarium. There was a tweet that was sent out and he said, I'm looking forward to more investors to begin to understand what for since the beginnings I have called the ecosystem and satellite tokens. Much like the tree will be larger than smaller branches of what essentially is Shibarium as the trunk with SHIB roots. This was, again, one of the accounts over on Twitter talking about, again, basically quoting Shytoshi when he said, I'm excited to see projects like F9, UFO, MBET, VXL, and other tokens that utilize Shibarium and other platforms. That's the point, right? Kusama noted in a screenshot. So Shibarium, of course, gets enormous hype ahead of launch. Right now, that is what's riling up the communities because they're looking forward to not really the main utility of Shibarium, rather the hyper burn effect that it will create and cause that will bring down the circulation. The thing we've been asking for months and even now years since the beginning. So I'm excited to see what happens. Looking forward to everything that is coming for Shiba Inu. Forward to everything that's coming with crypto. But again, keep your eyes on this week. January 31st, February 1st, we will hear about policy changes. That's all I have for you guys today. So thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.